song, no guitar. It's just actually, maybe I should grab a tambourine. Nah, forget the tambourine.
Yeah, tambourine.
Anybody else play tambourine? Oh, no, I don't want to. We're going to have you join the band. There you go.
Yeah, there we go.
When were you there? When were you there?
All right, the song's called Look at the Sun.
Yeah, I just like losing. $5. Okay.
Don't worry about your life, what you will eat, or what you will drink. Don't worry about what you'll wear, 'cause God will provide you with all that you need. Isn't your life much more than food? And isn't your body more than clothes? Just look at the flowers in the field with plenty of water and sunlight to grow. And look at the birds up in the sky, provided with all they need to survive. And aren't you worth much more than those? But if even one falls to the ground, our Lord knows. Oh, oh, look at the birds. Oh, oh, look at the sky. Oh, oh, look at them soar. Oh, oh, look at them thrive. Oh, don't worry about your life. You can spend it on love and give it away. Don't worry, you'll be alright, 'cause living's abiding and dying is gain. Don't you know that every good and perfect gift is from above? Living water for your thirst, heaven's bread to fill you up. And don't you see what God has done? He's built us a bridge into His love. For the ones who will believe, life forever through His Son. Oh, oh, look at the sun. Oh, oh, look in His eyes. Oh, oh, look at the tomb. Oh, oh, look at Him rise. Oh, this is the good news. Oh, life that you can't lose. Oh, let the love break through. Oh, and look at the sun. Oh, this is the good news. Oh, life that you can't lose. Oh, let the love break through. Oh, look at the sun.